Hey, what's going on, everybody? Hope you're having a great day. And it's time to do another shoe with the Xpand no tie lacing system. And these are the round ones, like I have here on this New Balance shoe. Initially, when the shoes come in, are like this with their laces, so you can see the black. And this is what the black one looks like with the lacing system. Now, what's cool is what they've done with the lacing system is they've made them reflective. Now, I was able to get the reflective ones because when I backed the campaign on Kickstarter, they were available. They are finally now available to the public, and so I just ordered another black. I'm going to put them on. I'll show you. Very simple to do, and it really is so nice that you do not need to tie your shoes every time. All you need to do is take the plastic, and you put that through the plastic area and it locks into place like that, and then you just got a little bit hanging over. You can adjust the length and it's great. So if you want to wear them looser, you can. If you want to have them tighter because you're running or whatever, then you just this has got like a bungee type of material, and it works perfectly. I love them. I also have them on another pair of my New Balance shoe. So even if you don't have sneakers but shoes, you can also get these as well. Now they do have a flat version as well. I'll put a link in the description where you can order both, either this, and they come in a ton of colors, which is great, by the way, with the reflective material and without, and then also the older flat version. So obviously, first things first, got to take the shoelaces off. I love these shoes, by the way. These are the New Balance Fresh Foam Beacon shoe. Most comfortable shoe I've ever put on. And it's worked, again, so well with the lacing system. So go ahead and take the shoelace off real quick. And then we'll go ahead and then put the shoelaces on. So I'll go ahead and take these off. And then I will be back putting on the new laces. And we'll get them all set up, and I'll just show you how to do it very easily to get on the shoe. All right, time to put on the laces, and let me just show you what comes in this packaging. So obviously, you have the reflective shoelaces. Then you've got the plastic pieces that are right here on the shoe for both shoes. And then last but not least, you have, if you need to, they have this little instruction sheet, how to put them on. But hopefully my video will help. So there you go. All right, so these laces are very long, as you can see. These are very long purposely, so depending upon what shoe you have, and then you can adjust it. So we're going to match up the first shoe, lace these up, and then we'll continue. Okay, so once you get the shoelaces on, you just take this plastic piece, you put the shoelaces through that bigger hole there, and then you just lay it like that. Now you need to cut the shoelaces down to size. So what I'm doing is kind of referring to this shoe, how far that is down on the shoe like that. And that's what I'm going to do next, is cut this down to size. And once I get that figured out, get the scissor, and I am going to cut the shoelaces right about here. All right, so once you get that done, that's it. So now you just got to hope that it's done correctly. Now, I just lost that plastic piece somewhere over here. Well, I'll use the other one for now, and then I'll look for it after. So now I got to put this other one right through there, like that. And then the last part is you want to take the top part, and you're going to put it through there, and then you're going to shut it closed. So what they suggest is taking like a lighter and just lighting the top of the shoelaces like that, and like there you go. And then once you burn the shoelaces, what you're going to do, you'll see a hole there, and you're going to put it in this way, and you then just snap it closed. By the way, since I'm fixing this, you can see there it's got these little grooves inside the plastic, and that helps keep the shoelaces in there. And we'll put the shoelaces back. There we go. I think, there we go. Got it. And that's it. Shoelaces are done. And then again, I could adjust this. If I find that the shoelace is just too long, I can cut it down to be shorter, and then you're good to go. So that's pretty much it. I love the shoelaces. I'll put a link again where you get more information, where you can order, whether it's the black with the reflective, regular black, or many of the other colors. You can find them and you will love them. If you are using them, leave any comments down below. Let me know what you think, and I'll try and answer any questions you have. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. We'll see you on the next video. Take care.